Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basic English. Our material today is asking about the names of the day. Number 1. Do you know how many days in a week?
Do you know how many days in a week?
Number 2. Can you mention the names of the days?
Can you mention the names of the day?
Number 3. What day is today?
3. What day is today?
Number 4. What day is tomorrow?
For what day is tomorrow?
Number 5. What day is after tomorrow?
5. What day is after tomorrow?
Number 6. What day was yesterday?
6. What day was yesterday?
Number 7. What day was before yesterday?
7. What day was before yesterday?
Number 8. What day is holiday?
8. What day is holiday?
Number 9. How many days in a week?
9. How many days in a week?
Number 10. What is your favorite day?
10. What is your favorite day?
Okay everyone, thank you very much. See you.